क्या हुआ है आपको?
यहाँ साहब आए थे सत्संग में, वहाँ से बहुत जोर एकदम भीड़ में सब लोगों ने उधर से धक्का मारा, मतलब उसको पीछे करके बैक करके बहुत बेकार भीड़ में उसमें दबकर मेरी माता और मैं भी बहुत, जब मैंने अभी गोड़े वोड़े सब दर्द हो रहा है, बहुत से लोग मर गए।
कैसे मरे लोग, क्या हुआ था?
अब सब उधर से आपस में एक दूसरे के ऊपर एक दूसरे गिर गए।
कहाँ आप लोग आए थे, किसके कार्यक्रम में?
कितने सत्संग में आए थे, बाबा जी गुरुदेव के सत्संग में।
आपके साथ भी कोई डेथ हुआ है? आपके साथ भी कोई मृत्यु हुई है जो साथ में आपके आया था?
हमारे साथ में आई थी, मेरी माता का जी की मृत्यु हो गई।
Let's go across to Amir to get some more details. Amir, what do we know at this point? When did this happen and how did the confusion get triggered?
Well, Tanvi, absolutely unfortunate here because, the district administration, it seems, was found wanting on the way the entire event was managed. Although they say that the organizers of the event had actually promised that not more than 3,000 people will turn up for the event, but over 70,000 people turned up for the event. So that perhaps, created a lot of confusion. Plus, when they were passing through this Ramghat bridge on the Ganga River from Varanasi towards Chandoli, somebody spread the rumor of the iron bridge through which this entire procession was crossing to be collapsing. So, that kind of a rumor spread very quickly, and that perhaps led to this stampede because people rushed towards both sides, both ends of the bridge, and they wanted to be safe, obviously. The police and administration people could not control such number of swelling crowds, and that perhaps led to stampede and death of around 19 people. So far, 19 casualties have been confirmed. 15 of them women, 4 of them men, most probably, old women and old men and frail women. So far, no casualties of children have been reported, but clearly very unfortunate because the entire crowd actually went completely berserk after the rumor and nothing actually could be controlled.
Amir, stay with me. I'm going to come back to you for some more details, but also playing out another reaction from an eyewitness.
सीताराम जी, क्या हुआ है, घटना क्या है?
घटना ये लोग बाग चलते चलते ऊपर से वापस धक्का दिया।
कौन
लोग? वापस धक्का दिया, वापस से लोग है। वापस धक्का दिया, इधर से भी लोग आ रहे हैं, ऊपर से लोग आ रहे हैं, वापस धक्का दिया तो धक्का देने से लोग भी पड़ गए। पढ़ने से लोग बाग, हम भी पड़ गए, सब पड़ गए, हमारी औरत भी पड़ गई, सबको सब छीत लिया। कोई सेवा करने वाले वहाँ थे नहीं, कोई किसी आके सेवा नहीं की किसी ने, कोई यह व्यवस्था कुछ नहीं थी। पड़ गए, घंटा भर रह गए, फिर बाद में लोग बाग
क्या हुआ था कि
लोग बाग इधर जा रहे, मतलब रैली जा रही, जाम लगने से लोग वापस भगाया।
अच्छा, कहाँ कार्यक्रम में आप लोग गए थे?
हम जय गुरुदेव सत्संग में।
अच्छा, वहाँ पे कार्यक्रम था, क्या
रैली चल रही जय गुरुदेव।
कितने लोग घायल हुए होंगे, कैसा नजारा रहा होगा आप लोग देखा?
हाँ, वहाँ पर 100-200 आदमी, 150 आदमी का पड़ गया, घायल हो गया, 15-20 तो मर गए।
That was one of the eyewitnesses. They're also saying, Amir, again, that there was no arrangement, कोई व्यवस्था नहीं थी, कोई हमारी वहाँ मदद करने के लिए भी नहीं था. What is the administration telling you at this point?
Well, the administration, Tanvi, is clearly saying that it is not our fault. The organizers reported a wrong figure. They said only 3,000 people will turn up for the event and over 70,000 people turned up. But clearly, police and administration, what least they could have done was that, it's a standard operating procedure that nakas are erected on the way through which a particular procession passes, just so that the number of people pouring in towards a certain venue can be regulated. But in this case, it seems that no nakas were erected on the way. There were no checkpoints, no other check and balance to control the number of people who were crossing a particular bridge over there, and therefore that perhaps led to an uncontrolled situation, and nothing could actually be done to save the casualties, to prevent the casualties from happening once the stampede actually started.